She acting gay so she want me to slap her.
Tell me what you want and play your part. I see some darkness in you, girl. That's why you worry about my thoughts. And if my heart is...
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Azuré back in the cut with another YouTube video from the Bronx. I haven't done an updated Skims collection since February, and that's when I really first started my Skims journey, my Skims addiction, my Skims frenzy. I literally have all these new pieces to my collection. It's not just the cotton collection, it's not just the fits everybody, but I literally have damn near every collection. I got the Velour Collection, I got the soft lounge, I got the outdoor basics, I got a lot. So I'm gonna just let y'all know the tea on each collection, because a lot of girls, when they get the Skims, when they try on the Skims, they're really just trying it on. They're not giving you reviews on how it holds up, if it stains. Like, they don't really tell you, like, does it lose its stretch? Like, is it worth the hundreds of dollars you're investing into the clothing? So that's why I'm back. Okay, so the first collection I'm going to start off with is the cotton collection. The cotton collection is literally my favorite collection I've ever worn. Like, their leggings alone just hold so much weight for the company. Their leggings is one of the most popular items on their website. Like, the material, the stretchiness, the way that it contours and shapes out your body. I love the leggings. Like, if you're gonna get one thing from Skims, it would either be leggings or a long sleeve t-shirt or a t-shirt in general. Their t-shirts and their cotton leggings are amazing. I really don't have any complaints about Skims cotton collection, except for the fact that it does stain. Certain pieces do stain. Like my Skims short sleeve bodysuit has a stain on the front of it. This bodysuit. So this, when I first got this out the box and put it on, this was my favorite item ever. Like, you could not tell me to take this off. This one and the one in black, or the shade suit. But for some reason, even though I wash my clothes without bleach, because I barely wear white clothes, for some reason, when I washed the shirt and I took it out, it had a bleach stain on it. So I was very upset, because I spent like, I don't know, I'm gonna guess and say like $60 on this bodysuit, maybe more, and it bleach stained on like the second wash. And this also happened with my cotton mineral leggings. Like, even though you won't be able to see it, if I go up close, I could show you this one up close, but this one probably won't be able to see it. But it literally has like little bleach spots all up and down the legs, and I don't even use bleach. Like, I'm so confused. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, please back me up in the comments, because I've told people and they haven't understood a word that was coming out of my mouth. But the bleach stains, I don't know what it is. This mineral color bleach stains in the cotton collection, and also in the soft lounge collection. I got a soft lounge rib boxer set with the tank top, and it has bleach stains on it. I can't even wear it anymore. So the next collection I want to touch on is the Fits Everybody collection. I personally love the Fits Everybody collection just off the strength of like their t-shirts. Their long sleeve t-shirts are just amazing. I wish I would have gotten their long sleeve t-shirt in the shade suit or black when I got a chance, because look how amazing they are. For one, they're super stretchy. Like, they're super stretchy. Like, this is a size medium. I could have definitely gotten a small. The material is so breathable and so comfortable. It literally feels like you have nothing on, and that's one thing I really love about Skims, is that if you get the right size and you get the right collection that fits your body type and your comfortability, it literally feels like you have nothing on. Like, you don't feel restricted, but yet you still feel confident and you still feel sexy, and self-esteem is still high, and you look mad cute. And it's not just loungewear. Like, I don't care what nobody says. I be wearing my Skims sets outside, and I be looking like a snack. Like, nobody can tell me anything. But anyways, my Fits Everybody t-shirts I love. I got them in long sleeve and in the short sleeve version. I also got Fits Everybody bodysuits. I got the ones that are shaped like this. I do this every video. I don't remember what it's called. I think it's called a high neck bodysuit. Yeah, I got the Fits Everybody high neck bodysuits. I don't wear those often unless it's summertime. And those bodysuits I've washed a couple of times and they started pilling, and I just didn't like the appearance of them, so I stopped washing them. So I guess that's a con for this collection. I also got the Fits Everybody bralette in the color mineral, I think, or the blue shade. I got it in the blue shade. I don't wear that often. The only bras I really do wear are my Skims folding bras. I wear them because, as you can see, it barely looks like I have a bra on, which is fine. I don't really like when my boobs are super pushed up, but I really love the Skims sculpting bras because you cannot see the bra under the shirt. No matter which way you turn, you cannot see the bra under the shirt. And then I also love that from the back, this Skims sculpting bra, when you pull it down, it completely disguises your back fat. A lot of bras, especially when you have a big chest, they literally go all the way up in the back, and then you just have this bulge of back fat. I really hate that. So I love that this bra doesn't do that. Only bra I wear from Skims for the most part. I wear the bandeaus, but I don't reach for them unless it's like summertime. But anyways, the Fits Everybody collection, I really give it a 10 out of 10. I just don't recommend the underwear, and I don't wear the bras much. I could do a review on the bras if you want to, but I like more functionability than cute stuff, which is kind of like a pro and a con, because you should want to have those cute moments, but I just love things that I can just wear all the time. Which is why I love neutrals from Skims. Like, I just love the fact that they're so versatile. You already know the spiel. But the third collection I want to speak on is the Soft Lounge collection. Now, I am smiling when I say this because the Soft Lounge spaghetti top long fitted dress just fits like a dream. That's one of my favorite Skims products I've ever purchased in my entire life. Like, I love that dress. Like, it has your body looking crazy, and when I mean crazy, I mean it makes it look really good, really amazing, and it just shows like how nice your figure is. Like, I've seen this dress all over TikTok. I've seen this dress everywhere. Even when I bought it, it wasn't even really on TikTok like that yet, but I've seen this dress everywhere, and every girl that I see with the dress on looks mad good. Like, it really is the dress. Like, the dress is amazing. The dress is like $80, but it's worth it, I promise you. I have it in the color Suit, I have it in the color Army, and I have it in the color Heather Gray. I like the Heather Gray and I like the Suit. I could have left the Army because honestly I don't really need that many colors. I've worn the black dress out before, but I had to wear biker shorts under because you can just see everything if you don't. The Heather Gray, I wouldn't wear that outside, I would wear that in the house. So even though it's very expensive, if you want a very functional color, get a dark color so that you can masquerade the sheerness of the dress. But I love the Soft Lounge collection. The only thing I will say is that the Soft Lounge tank top and biker shorts that I got in the color Mineral it was Talc, that I got in the color Talc did have a bleach stain on it after I washed it, and I did not use bleach. So that's very frustrating. I don't wear that tank top outside anymore. I barely wear the set. I wear the purple Iris Mika one that I have because this one doesn't bleach stain. I don't know what it is about that light green mineral color that it just stains. And also my cotton bodysuit that I said, it just stains that gray color. But this is my one in Iris Mika, and I love it to death. I'm not really a pajama girl, but this is a good set for just lounging around the house. You can't really go to sleep in this because personally the waistband just is a little too tight to sleep in. Like, I wouldn't sleep in my cotton leggings unless I had to, and that goes for the shorts. Like, they're comfortable and amazing to sit down around the house and lounge in, but as far as sleeping in them, I would not recommend. I would recommend the Soft Lounge sleep dresses, and I also would recommend the Soft Lounge sleep Henley dress. That fits amazing. It looks like you're about to go out and go to a party, but you're really just going to bed. So I love that dress a lot. I love all the dresses from the Soft Lounge collection. I want to try the long sleeve Soft Lounge dresses because I feel like those is giving body as well, and they're long sleeve. But it's just the cut, once again, of the dress. You always have to wear like a tube top or just no bra. So that's kind of... On to the next collection, which is my Outdoor Basic collection. This collection is kind of like bittersweet because it's like I enjoy some parts of it, but I really could have lived without it. Like, I did a whole $500 Skims Outdoor Basic collection, and I liked how it was at the time, but I was also giving you guys the real. Like, the t-shirts are very thin. They're not the same quality as the Cotton collection or the Fits Everybody collection. It's just like this thin, I don't want to say scratchy, but the Outdoor collection is like a thin rough material, or you could get the leggings, which is like a little thicker, but it's still like a roughness to it. Like it's not as soft and smooth as the cotton or the soft lounge collection. So yeah, that's, I guess, one of the collections that I would have skipped on. I love how thick the leggings are, and I love like how it bunches up at the ankles and there's so much material, but just the way it dips into your stomach, it gives you a fupa effect. And a lot of people already say that Skims gives you a fupa in and of itself, but the outdoor collection leggings give you more of a fupa, and it doesn't really have that banding. It just has one thin band going around, so it kind of makes your hips look, I don't know, it doesn't give you the same hourglass effect as the cotton leggings. So yeah, the outdoor collection, I would say you don't really have to get it, but if you want to get it just to try it out, you can. The colorways are cute, but you can also get it in the cotton collection or the soft lounge collection. So yeah, the next collection I want to talk about is the Velour Collection. This is one of my favorite Skims collections. This piece and material, this velour hoodie with these sweats, a baddie for the whole winter time. Like, it's really amazing. I've washed this set so many times and it's still super plush and soft. I personally was one of the girls that never had a Juicy Couture sweatsuit, but people say that this is softer than a Juicy Couture sweatsuit, and you can clearly see how plush and nice it is. I don't know how it's possible that you could, knock on wood, but I don't know how it's possible that you could wash something so much and it still stays in the same condition that you bought it in. Like, I really love the velour. I have this in the color Smoke, the sweatpants and the hoodie in the color Smoke, and I also have it in the color Amethyst. I want to get more colors. I want to get the black color. I want to get a lot of colors. I might do another haul from the Velour Collection because I really truly do love it. If you don't get nothing else from Skims, get a t-shirt, some leggings, and a velour. I promise you, you're going to be wearing this every week, especially since winter time is coming up. The next collection I want to speak on, which is a collection that I do not wear, and that I don't want to say if I had the chance I would have returned it, but I don't wear it often. When I do wear it, it's okay. But the Boyfriend Collection. The Boyfriend Collection is very regular, and that's the only way I'm going to describe it. The Cotton Collection, like the tank tops, they have like a nice little curve in it. The leggings have a nice little room in it. The Boyfriend Collection is an oversized t-shirt, oversized long sleeve, a tank top that fits you like a boyfriend tank top, and these tight, thin cotton shorts, but they're not really Cotton Collection shorts because the Cotton Collection shorts are way thicker. The cotton rib shorts are way thicker. The Boyfriend boxers are really boxers. Like, they're really underwear that you could wear, you know? They're not out. You can lounge in them, but I wouldn't say like the Boyfriend. If you want a lounge set, I wouldn't say go to the Boyfriend Collection. I would say go to the soft lounge or the Cotton Collection. I would put the Outdoor Basics Collection before I put the Boyfriend Collection. Like, I really don't lean towards it much. I be wearing the tank top sometimes, but if I want that little loose, manly tank top. If I want a nice, cute little thing to make the girls sit up, I would wear the Cotton Collection tank top, or I would wear the soft lounge tank top. But besides that, I wouldn't go with the Cotton. I wouldn't go with the Boyfriend Collection if I would have known, you know? So this is what I'm telling you guys. The last two collections I want to talk about are the Essential Bodysuits. I really do love the Essential Bodysuits. I spoke on the Essential Bodysuits in my last video. The Essential Bodysuits really snatch you up. Now, I've bought in the Fits Everybody bodysuits, and the Fits Everybody bodysuits are way more comfortable, and they're way more of a softer material, kind of like this, but in a bodysuit form. But there's something about the Essential Bodysuits that really just smooth you out and really suck you in. Like, I feel like the Fits Everybody t-shirts or the Fits Everybody clothing, like, it's gonna fit to whatever you already have. The Essential Bodysuits just smooths you out. Like, that's the only way I know how to explain it. Fits Everybody, it just accentuates, I guess you can say. But the Essential Bodysuits really snatch you in, you know? And I just love that effect. I love that smooth, cute, amazing effect that essential bodysuits give. So I do want to do an updated collection on my essentials. I do want to do an updated essential bodysuit haul because they have new colors. They have an espresso color, and I really want to get in tune with those. But I really do love the essential bodysuits. The last collection I want to talk about as far as bodysuits are the, what is it called, because they don't have it on the website, the Body Basics bodysuits. Now I only have 2 Body Basic bodysuits, and I'm speaking on this collection because I hope that they revamp the collection and put it back on the website because they took it down. But the Body Basics bodysuits are so amazing. Like, the way they form to your body is unmatched. It's like the essential bodysuits but on crack. Like, they're amazing. Like, I have pictures and videos of how it molded and sculpted my body just by putting on a bodysuit, and it's just amazing. I would say that they do run kind of small. I have one of them in the color sienna in the size large, and that was super tight, but it just fits your body so well. And then I also have the extra large, which is kind of tight, but it gave a little bit of give around the arms. But anyways, the Body Basic bodysuits are amazing. Like, nobody, unless you own it or unless you see it on other people trying it on, like, you'll never understand like how amazing it is. Like, it literally purposely cinches in the waist. Like, it literally has less material in the waist, and it just makes your body just look amazing. But I love the Body Basics so much. I hope that they revamp the collection because I don't think people were buying it like that, so they just took it down. But yeah, I love that. Is there any other collections I want to talk about? The Waffle Collection is amazing, but I only have the hoodies, so I can't really speak too much on it. I can just say that the hoodies are a game changer. Like, I love the new Waffle hoodies that they have are not as cropped as the ones I have, but the ones that I have, they just hit you right where you're supposed to get hit. Like, they hit you perfectly on your waist, and if you get 2 sizes down or a size down, it's gonna give you that perfect fit. Like, mine is a size small, and it just fits me perfectly. I'll show a try on video of me trying it on, but it just fits me perfectly. Like, it hits me right where it's supposed to hit, and it just accentuates my curves. That's what I really like about those Waffle hoodies. So if you do get a Waffle hoodie and you do get the new version of it, try to size down. Even if it is a little fitted, it'll give you that more sculpted out look that a lot of us desire. So I talked about the Waffle Collection, I talked about the Cotton Collection, I talked about the Fits Everybody Collection, I talked about the Soft Lounge, I talked about the Boyfriend, I talked about the sculpting bras. I got one Skims shapewear, and I've only worn it once for a photo shoot. It's sitting in my stash. I would not recommend the shapewear that I tried on for everyday use. It just doesn't make sense. I like lounge comfortable clothing. The shapewear is good if you're going out, but I don't really be going out like that. And the way that the back fat was like protruding, if you watch my video, my shapewear video, it wasn't worth it. I should have returned that. But yeah, what else did I talk about? I think I talked about everything. I spent so much money, damn near $4,000 on these clothes, and I went through this video in like 5 minutes. Like, what is going on? But yeah, I'm so glad I could give y'all Skims content on a real body from a real person with a real perspective, not sugarcoating nothing. And yeah, that's it. I just want to let y'all know, thank y'all so much for watching my YouTube video. I will be back very soon with some Skims hauls and also some extra stuff that I got planned for the future. So thank y'all so much. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.